Well, I just want to do a better video on my Hot Wheels finds. If you can see them here. Let's see if you can see them. I found this one at Target. It's one of the Hot Ones. That's what it's called, Hot Ones. Got that today. Got this one at a rummage sale a couple days ago. And there's several of them, so. Found this one at a fair flea market. Probably 70s. I collect these. I do not play with these. These ones are all in bins. Got that one at a rummage sale. Any Hot Wheels collector would remember that one. To make this go a little bit quicker, let's do this. So, we got... Alright, this one I got at a rummage sale. This one at a fair. This one was from a rummage sale. I would say that's, I don't know, 90s. This one's older. This one is one of the crunch ones where you could do that. Fixed. Not fixed. Fixed. And I got these ones at a rummage sale. I got this van. I don't know what it is. Something on the side. Got this old Matchbox one. I got this one at a fair. Got this one at a rummage sale. This one's from a rummage sale. 67 Ford Matchbox. It used to have something in there and the tires used to move. Rummage sale, rummage sale. Another, this is a flea market find. It's just a cheap Chinese made car. Junk. Another old Matchbox. Probably a Happy Meal car. I would say 95, 96. Okay, that's that bin. Found this old Matchbox right here. We got this one. Old Matchbox Sheriff car. Racing Champions, Tide number 5. Another vintage Hot Wheels. Looked it up on eBay. It's worth 20 bucks. From a cereal box. Pre-order. Got it at a rummage sale, by the way. All these are either rummage sale or flea market. Rummage sale. Flea market. Fair. Fair, flea market. Rummage sale. Another fair, flea market find. Another Happy Meal car. 1990s. Rummage sale. Probably 94. Another late 80s car. Pretty cool. That was from a rummage sale. Another rummage sale find, Ford Bronco. I think it's an exclusive Toys R Us Bronco. It's kind of faded. Another Racing Champions, Citgo number 21, Daryl Jarrett. Another rummage sale find, vintage Ford. Another rummage sale find, pre-order Matchbox Kellogg cereal car. I think that was a rummage sale. Right there. Deeds of Thunder car, Russ Wheeler number 18. Rummage sale. Same as the other ones. Pretty cool. Movie memorabilia. I like movie memorabilia. 1990. Another Hot Wheels fair flea market find. Rummage sale find. Another one of those crusher cars where you can fix it and then it's broken and you can fix it. I think those came out in the late 80s, probably 89 or 90. This one I don't know where I got. It's in with my new cars. I have a couple like this. I don't know where this one's from. But it's late 80s. This one might be early 90s. I'm not sure. But it's cool. Rummage sale find. A mud truck. Matchbox. More fair finds, flea markets. Rummage sale. Fair flea market, Hot Wheels, late 80s. And more there. More fair finds, flea market. I'm not going to show all of these. Another rummage sale find, Days of Thunder. Cold Trickles, last car for the last race in the movie. They didn't have a sponsor, so they put that on there. Mellow Yellow. I'll show some of the really more, like, you know, rare. Late 80s Hot Wheels. The Ford Thunderbird. Matchbox with opening doors. Here's a Hot Wheels that I think might be rare. It's a John's. I think it might either be a hot one or maybe a red line. I'm not sure. But I found that at a fair. And I'll just show off the rest in the bin because I don't want to take everything out. There you go. That's another look. Some more vintage ones. This one. It's very old. The rest of them aren't relatively that old. So these are what I found lately. I'm hoping to find more. Subscribe to my videos, and thanks for watching.